I am Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Welcome to the lecture series of image processing. In this session, we will solve some example problems on color model conversions. So here, coming to the first example, RGB values are given. It is 29, 98 and 128. It means this is the value of R, this is the value of G, and 128 is the value of B. So RGB values are given. We have to convert these values into CMY. That means here RGB to CMY conversion should be applied. Now, first we have to do the normalization for these given RGB values. So the intensity of the color will be ranging from 0 to L minus 1. That is from 0 to 255. So in order to normalize each color component, we have to divide each value with 255. Then we will get RGB, the normalized values of RGB. Then that values we have to use in order to convert to CMY. So to find the value of R, so it is 29 by 255. So the value is 0.113. And the next color is G. It is given as 98. So 98 by 255. It is 0.384. And the next value we have to find is B. So here B is given as 128 divided by 255. So then the value of B will be 0.501. Now we have to consider the values of these R, G, B to convert it into CMY. So applying RGB to CMY conversion formula. So we have discussed this formula, conversion formulas in the previous session. So we know the formula CMY is equal to 1 minus RGB. Okay. So this is the formula to convert RGB to CMY. So here C is equal to 1 minus R, M is equal to 1 minus G, and Y is equal to 1 minus B. So here 1 minus, the value of R is 0.113. So we will get 0.887. And next to find M, M is equal to 1 minus G. It is 1 minus, the value of G is 0.384. So if you simplify this, we will get 0.616. And the next one is Y is equal to 1 minus B. 1 minus, so the value of B is 0.501. So if we simplify this, we will get Y is equal to 0.499. Okay. Now, so here the values of R, G, B, what we have considered are 0.113, 0.384 and 0.501. So after converting this RGB to CMY, okay, so we got C value 0.887, 0.616 0.6 and 0.499. So this is how we have to convert RGB to CMY. End. Next example, convert RGB values to HSI in the range 0 to 1. So here RGB values are given. R is 24 and G is 98 and B is equal to 118. So considering this RGB values, we have to convert to HSI. So while converting RGB to HSI, the given values of RGB should be normalized. Then that normalized values of RGB should be used to convert into HSI. So to normalize, so it will be 0 to, the intensity value will be ranging, for each color it will be ranging from 0 to L minus 1. That means here it is 0 to 255. So each color should be divided by 255. So to find the value of R, so it is given as 24 divided by 255. So we will get 0.09. And next G, it is given as 98 divided by 255. So then the result is 0.38. And the next value is B. The value given is 118. 118 by 255. It is 0.46. So the new values of R, G, B are calculated. Now we have to use these values to convert to HSI. So the first one is Q, H component need to be calculated. So to find the H component, the formula we have discussed in the previous session. H is equal to theta when B is less than or equal to G. 360 degrees minus theta when B is greater than G. So in order to simplify H, it is in terms of theta. First the theta need to be calculated. So the formula to find theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 into R minus G plus R minus B by R minus G whole square plus R minus B into G minus B whole power 1 by 2, or we can apply root. Now, first let us find the value of theta so that we can find the value of H. So, R is 0.09. So, let us write the values what we have calculated. G is 0.38 and the value of B is 0.46. Okay. So, let us substitute in this formula to find the value of theta. So, theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 into R minus G, that is 0.09 minus 0.38 plus R minus B, that is 0.09 minus 0.46 by, okay. So here it is power 1 by 2. So we can simply write it as root R minus G whole square. So 0.09 minus 0.38 whole square plus R minus B 0.09 minus 0.46 into G minus B. So here 0.38 minus the value of B is 0.46. Okay. Now here cos inverse of 1 by 2. So the difference between 0.09 minus 0.38 need to be calculated. So it will be minus 0.38 0.29, and the difference between 0.09 minus 0.46 is equal to minus 0.37 by root of. So the value of 0.09 minus 0.38 is minus 0.29 whole square plus, and the difference between 0.09 minus 0.46 is minus 0.37. 0.38 minus 0.46, the value is minus 0.08. Okay. Now we can see cos inverse of, so the difference between these two by 2 is, the value is minus 0.33 by. So if we simplify the entire value that is present in the denominator, we will get 0.1137. Okay. So here theta is cos inverse of minus 0.33 by, so root of 0.1137, value is 0.33. So here we will get cos inverse of minus 1. So the value of theta will be equal to cos inverse of minus 1, value is 180 degrees. Now considering this theta value, we have to find the value of Q, that is H. So H is equal to, we have to consider theta or 360 degrees minus theta based on the value of B and G. So we have to see B and G values. If B is less than or equal to G, we have to consider theta, but here B is greater than G. So B is greater than G means second condition need to be applied, that is H is equal to 360 degrees minus theta as B is greater than G. So these are the B and G values. Okay. So the value of H will be 360 degrees minus, so here theta is 180 degrees, 180 degrees. So the value of H will be equal to 180 degrees. So that is finding the first component H. So it need to be converted to HSI. So next component is S we need to find. So to find the component of S, same we have to consider R, G, B values as the previous. So it is 0.09 and G value is 0.38 and this is 0.46. Now to find the value of S, it is 1 minus 3 by R plus G plus B, 0.09 plus 0.38 plus 0.46. And here we have to consider the minimum value of RGB. So the value of R is 0.09, 0.38 and 0.46. So among all these three terms, minimum value should be selected, and here the minimum value is 0.09. So we will get S is equal to 1 minus 3 by. So if we simplify the denominator, we will get 0.93 into, so the minimum value here is 0.09. So S is equal to 1 minus. So if we simplify this term, we will get 0.29 and the value of S is 0.71. And the next component is I value. To find the I value, the formula is I is equal to 1 by 3 into R plus G plus B. So 1 by 3 into R, G, B values are there. So R is 0.09 plus 0.38 plus 0.46. So if we simplify, 1 by 3. So if we add all these values, we will get 0.93, which is equal to 0.31. So this is how we have to convert RGB to HSI. And the next example is here RGB colors are given, that is 100, 150 and 200. We have to convert these given RGB colors to YUV color space. So in the previous session, we have seen the formulas to convert RGB to YUV color space. So based on this matrix only, we have written the equations for YUV in terms of RGB. So the equation for Y is 0.299 into R plus 0.587 into G plus 0.114 into B. And for U, minus 0.299 into R minus 0.587 into G plus 0.886 into B. And next one, to find V, the equation is 0.701 into R minus 0.587 into G minus 0.114 into B. So these are the three equations we have to use now to convert this given RGB to YUV color model. So let us first find for Y. So these are the given RGB values. Now while converting from RGB to YUV, like previous examples, no need to normalize the values of RGB here. Directly we can use the values of RGB to convert into YUV. It is completely based on the formulation. So from this we can write the formula for Y is equal to 0.299 into R plus 0.587 into G plus 0.114 into B. So now substitute the values of this given RGB. Y is equal to 0.299 into R is 100 plus 0.587 into G. So here G is 150 plus 0.114 into B. So here B is given as 200. Now, so we have to simplify this. Y is equal to, so if we multiply these two terms, we will get 29.9 plus, if we multiply these two terms, we will get 88.05 plus, so if we multiply these two terms, we will get 22.8. So after summing, we will get the value of Y as 140.75. So this is the value of Y, YUV. So next we have to find the value for U. So from this matrix, we can write U is equal to minus 0.299 into R minus 0.587 into G plus 0.886 into B. So substitute the values of RGB. U is equal to minus 0.299. So the value of R is 100 minus 0.587 into G. So the value of G is 150 plus 0.886 into B. The value of B is 200. Now, so if we multiply these two terms, we will get like u is equal to minus 14.713. And if we multiply these two terms, we will get minus 43.329 plus. So multiplying these two terms, we will get 87.2. So after performing the operation simplification, the value of u will be equal to 29.158. So this is the value of u. Yu, next component is v. Now we have to find the value for v. So from this matrix, the equation for v is equal to 0.701 into r minus 0.587 into g minus 0.114 into b. So substitute the values of RGB, we will get 0.701, R is 100 minus 0.587, the value of G is 150 minus 0.114 into B, the value is 200. Okay. So if we simplify these two terms, we will get the value 61.5 minus. So after simplifying these two terms, we will get 77.24 here minus. So if we simplify these two terms, we will get 20.002. Then the final value for V is minus 35.7505. Okay. So this is how we have to convert RGB to YU, V. So here these are the three values, Y, U and V. So this is what we have to use the matrix to find the values of YU and V. And coming to the next example, given Y, CB, CR values. So this is Y 200, CB value is 150 and CR value is 100. So this is the color model Y, CB, CR. We have to convert this model to RGB. So to convert Y, CB, CR to RGB, this is the matrix we have to use. So that we have discussed in the previous session. So using this matrix, we have to find the value for R, G and B. So first, let us find for R. From this matrix, we can write the equation for R. R is equal to 1, here 1 into Y plus the next term will be 0 multiplied with CB minus 128, it will become 0 plus 1.403 into CR minus 128. So substitute the values of Y and CR in this equation. 1 into the value of Y here given, it is 200 plus next term is 0. Next 1.403 into CR value is given, that is 100. 100 minus 128. So here 200 minus 1.403. So if you find the difference here, we will get minus 28. So 200 minus, after multiplying these two values, we are going to get 39 minus 256. So after performing the subtraction operation, the final value of R will be equal to 160.744, which is approximately equal to 161, the value of R. Because after point we have 7, so round it up to the next highest integer. If it is below 0.5, round it off to the previous nearest integer. So this is the value of R. Next, we have to find the value for G. So considering the same matrix, we have to write the equation for G. So from this, if you write the equation for G, it will be like G is equal to 1 into Y minus 0.344 into CB minus 128. The next term minus 0.714 into CR minus 128. Now substitute the values of Y, CB, CR. These are the given values. Substitute these values in the equation. So G is equal to 1 into Y. So the value of Y is 200 minus 0.344 CB. So the value of CB is 150 minus 128 minus 0.714 into CR minus 128. Here CR is given as 100. So 100 minus 128. So now simplify this. So it will become 200 minus 0.344. So after doing the subtraction operation, we will get 22 minus 0.714. Here it is minus 28. So 200 minus. So if you multiply these two terms, we will get 200 minus 7.571 minus. Okay. So if you multiply with minus again, we will get value in terms of minus. So the simplified value is 19.99. Okay. So final value of G. So after simplifying this, the final value of G will be equal to 212.424, which is approximately equal to 212 because it is less than 0.5. Next, the last value is finding the value of B. So to find the value of B, from this matrix, we can write the equation B is equal to 1 into Y plus 1.773 into CB minus 128 plus 0. So 0 multiplied with CR minus 128, it will be 0. Now substitute the value of Y and CB. So the value of Y is 200 plus 1.773 into CB minus 128. CB is here 150 minus 128. Now 200 plus 1.772. Okay. So the difference between these two values is 22. So 200 plus. So if you multiply these two terms, the result will be 38.98. So after performing the addition operation, we will get the value of B, that is 238.984. Okay. So as it is above 0.5, we can write this value as 239. So these are the values of RGB. So we have converted this YCBCR to RGB. So these are some of the examples related to color code, color model conversions. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.